I'm Dr. Velan. Right now, I'm working as a CEO for Ceebros, one of the leading developers in Chennai. We are into real estate development, both in terms of residential, commercial, and industrial developments. We are also into hospitality sector, and St. Mary's Road Raintree Hotel is our hotel. And we have recently refurbished and launched one of the LEED Gold certified campus, which is run by Pullman as a hotel in Mount Road. University is something very unique because it has a kind of a diverse educational systems for every kind of discipline, irrespective of technical, medicine, and art science and all those categories. And this campus is very unique one to my mind because in the early 70s and 80s we used to see this campus was coming up, and today it is a big campus, and many of the alumni are in a leading roles across globe. See, today if you look at innovation is order of the day. I just want to mention like this: business as usual is not going to be anymore different for the industry. You need to be innovative. As we all see, innovation is something improvising our existing systems, processes, product range. By all means, this innovation is a must. And this conference especially focusing on the civil engineering students to look at innovation as a kind of process. Thereby they can become an entrepreneur or they can become a good professional. So I personally feel this is a relevant topic for the today's engineers. And one more thing I want to add here is basically in civil engineering, there are a lot of migrations taken place by means of adopting innovations. For example, as some point of time it was something like a framed structure, ICC framed structure. Then we have come to post-tension flat slab concept. Then we have gone for pre-stressing. And now you have 3D printing in construction. These are all various innovative solutions in construction industry. And this technological intervention in construction has also improved this construction industry today. The students connecting with the industry probably will be having a lot of advantage for them to get to know what's happening outside, and this kind of conferences would help for that. Fantastic. I can say this industry in Chennai city alone, I just take for example, it was considered to be one of the very unorganized sector years back, decades back. Over a period of time, the industry has come up to a kind of a mature state where the developers are also behaving their part of responsibility. Buyers are also understanding their requirements and spelling it out openly. So the way the industry is growing together, so like there is a demand and there is a supply which is matching the exact expectations of the customers. That's where I'm finding there is a match between the customer and the developers. The industry is very, very organized today. A lot of bodies helping the industry grow like CREDAI, IGBC, CII, FICCI. Everybody has an infrastructure committee, and all that. Those are all people helping the industry to do. It's doing very well in Chennai particularly, but across India as well. One is that without academic background, it will be very difficult for anybody to sustain in the future. So academically, this institution giving excellent background for the student when they come out. By means of adopting them, putting them into kind of industry academic collaboration, like this kind of events or a kind of apprenticeship, etc. for engineers. This kind of collaboration will help them to get to know what's happening across. And when they go out of the institution, they are also ready for getting into a professional life. Because generally, when they complete course, when they go to the market, they are not industry ready. There was a terminology those days. Now, this kind of activities are definitely providing opportunities for the students to make up themselves industry ready the moment they complete the course. Incidentally, there are certain areas of focus in the recent past. One is that digital twin, which is a upgradation of a bin. That is a digital twin, which is that technology. See, today's generation is more towards technology, so they can get into that digital twin, which is a technology-driven design software. And also, there is one more area, sustainability. Sustainability is a green building, net zero in energy, waste, water, besides green building design and implementation. This and all that available today. These are the areas which are going to be definitely there for another 20-30 years. And in terms of infrastructure and real estate even, we are in the emerging phase. Not like any developed countries, we are in the emerging phase of development. So obvious reasons this is going to provide a lot of employment opportunities if they are having a right attitude and academic